Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best metal saw blades is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson, capable of tackling a wide range of cutting tasks with precision and efficiency. Whether you're working on intricate metal fabrication, plumbing repairs, or even demolition projects, having the right set of metal saw blades can dramatically improve your workflow and the quality of your finished work. These blades are engineered with specific tooth designs and materials to ensure optimal performance when cutting through various metals, from thin sheet metal to thicker pipes and bars, making them a crucial component in your toolkit. Number 5. PECHAM 24 PCS Universal Oscillating Saw Blades. Introducing our 24-piece set of oscillating saw blades, crafted from high-quality high-carbon steel and stainless steel. They are tougher, thicker, and coated for corrosion resistance, ensuring durability and a long service life. These blades offer a wide range of applications, perfect for cutting wood, plastics, and metals. They are designed for sawing, scraping, sanding, and even grout removal, meeting diverse needs in workshops and homes. Featuring built-in length markers in both inches and centimeters, achieving accurate cuts is now simple and fast. The special precision blades with wavy teeth provide cleaner and quicker results. Our quick-release blades are designed for broad compatibility with many popular oscillating tools. They fit a wide array of brands, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. This kit includes adapters for user-friendly installation on various tools. Enjoy a seamless experience with blades designed for efficiency and ease of use. What we like. If you need a versatile set for various materials, this is a great choice. Its built-in length markers ensure accuracy for every cut. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that fits most major brands, this one should be at the top of your list. What people say. These blades are great for cutting metal. They cut through metal quickly and efficiently. The blades are durable and last a long time. Number 4. Saw blades. Experience unparalleled precision with our cutting-edge saw blades. Designed for accuracy, they deliver clean cuts every time. Built to last, these blades offer exceptional durability for demanding tasks. You can rely on them for consistent performance, project after project. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or plastic, our saw blades are up to the challenge. Their versatility makes them an essential tool for any workshop. Enjoy a smoother cutting experience thanks to their advanced design. They reduce vibration and ensure a more comfortable and efficient workflow. Achieve professional-grade results with ease. These blades are engineered to meet the high standards of professional craftsmen. What we like. For those prioritizing durability and a smoother cutting experience, this set is ideal. The titanium coating enhances longevity and cutting speed. If you're tackling demanding projects and want less vibration for better control, consider this option. What people say. These blades are great for cutting metal. They cut through metal quickly and cleanly. I was able to cut through a 1/4-inch steel plate with ease. Number 3. Bionso 19 PCS Titanium Oscillating Tool Blades. Get outstanding value with this premium kit. It includes 5 high-demand saw blade models in generous quantities, plus 4 compatible adapters for maximum cost efficiency. Crafted from high-performance M42 steel with a precision-quench titanium coating, these blades offer over 60% increased cutting speed and wear resistance. The advanced heat-resistant coating keeps them cooler under heavy use, extending their life and boosting your productivity. This all-in-one kit effortlessly handles wood, nails, screws, plastic, drywall, and even fiberglass. They are perfect for remodeling, flooring installation, DIY projects, or quick repairs, covering you for any task. Engineered for smoother operation, these blades feature optimized tooth geometry that reduces vibration and enhances control precision. The razor-sharp teeth ensure fast, efficient cutting. Compatible with most major oscillating tool brands, these blades fit most tools on the market. The quick-change design allows for tool-free blade swaps in seconds, ensuring a secure, vibration-free fit every time. What we like. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional who goes through blades frequently, this large count set offers exceptional value. Its wide compatibility means it will likely work with your existing tools. If you need a cost-effective solution with a broad selection for numerous cutting jobs, this is the one to get. What people say. The blades are very sharp and cut through metal quickly. These blades are durable and last a long time. The variety of blades included in the set is great for different types of metal cutting. Number 2. Bionso 40 PCS Oscillating Saw Blades Multitool Kit. Introducing a comprehensive set of 40 oscillating saw blades, offering exceptional value. This versatile kit is designed to tackle a wide range of cutting tasks, making your work more efficient. Experience unparalleled cutting efficiency thanks to innovative design and varied sawtooth sizes. You'll enjoy comfortable handling, even during extended use of your oscillating multi-tool. Crafted from premium high-carbon, bimetal, and titanium bimetal steels, these blades are built for durability. Special processing ensures superior wear resistance and a long service life for every blade. Our universal interface system ensures seamless compatibility with over 95% of oscillating tools available. Choosing the right adapter is simple, making it easy to get started. This extensive kit is designed to be your go-to solution for various projects. With plenty of blades, you'll be equipped to handle any job that comes your way. We are committed to providing professional customer service. If you have any questions or encounter issues, please don't hesitate to reach out for immediate assistance. What we like. When you're facing the toughest cutting tasks, especially with hard materials, this blade is a game changer. Its carbide teeth are designed for extreme durability and performance. If you need a blade that lasts significantly longer and can power through metal, hardened nails, and screws, this is your go-to. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut through metal quickly. These blades are very durable and last a long time. The variety of blades included in the set is great for different types of metal cutting. Number 1. EZARC Carbide Oscillating Tool Blades 3-Pack. Introducing the EZARC Carbide Oscillating Tool Blades, designed for heavy-duty cutting on tough materials. This 3-pack is your go-to solution for demanding jobs. Experience an exceptionally long lifetime, up to 30 times longer than standard blades, thanks to its innovative carbide teeth design. It's built to last through your toughest projects. This is a must-have blade for any tough cutting job. It excels on hard materials like hardened nails, metal, and even fiberglass, ensuring you can get the job done. The high-performance carbide teeth deliver superior results when cutting through metal and other challenging materials. You'll notice the difference in speed and efficiency. Its multi-fit interface ensures compatibility with most popular oscillating multi-tools. Plus, with 2 extra adapters included, it covers more tools than any competitor on the market. What we like. For users who demand toughness and longevity in their blades, this set is a solid contender. The electrophoretic black finish provides excellent corrosion resistance. If you're looking for blades that can withstand rigorous use and offer a long service life across various materials, this is a reliable choice. What people say. The blades are very sharp and cut through metal quickly. These blades are durable and last a long time. The variety of blades included in the set is great for different types of metal cutting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.